Welcome back, and in this video we are going to be discussing about how to install AutoGPT on Windows easy. So let's just begin. So you're going to be requiring two different stuff for that. First of all is going to be Python, so make sure you install the latest version of Python since it is going to be required to run the environment of AutoGPT on your Windows locally. So if you want to run, so first of all you can see we are on Python, and here I'm going to be simply downloading the latest version using this option on the top left side of my screen. You can see download Python, and then I'm going to be jumping on to AutoGPT, and you can see we got our latest updates ready to go, and using this the link you can simply download it. So once you have that done, you should be most probably be able to run AutoGPT on your Windows locally, and this is no rocket science. You can see the step-by-step process here as well. You can see once we have that ready, we are going to be simply creating a key, a token basically, and then we are going to be pasting that on your files and change some credentials, and the rest is easy. So that is going to be using the AutoGPT onto our Windows. If you have any questions, simply let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and see you around in the next video.